are you?
I'm good.
Hey, wait. I have one question. One question. I need Anna's question.
What?
I mean Anna's answers.
What? That's... Ah, yeah, sure. Sorry.
Oh, patalastas mo na. Oh, dito. Ayan. I have question and I need honest answer. Honest answer.
What? Sorry na kasi.
My question is that who is Ferdy for you?
Oh my God.
Tagalog, gugug, Tagalog. Ano, di mo?
Oh my God, Diyos ko. Oh, ayun. Tagalog.
Who is Ferdy for you?
Ferdy. It's just like...
Go, Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. No need to push you.
Ferdy. Parang ganito. Itong lugar na to. Ito yung lugar kung saan pupunta yung mga tao para maging masaya sila. Parang ako, siya yung lugar kung saan ako nagiging masaya.
That's it?
Yeah, kailangan
More
mag-shoot.
definition?
Kailangan nyo na
More...
mag-shoot. Shoot na kayo.
Wala pa yan. Wala pa.
You need the card.
And what else? What is your first impression when you saw him?
First impression, so super sweet. Sweet. Sweet yun. Sweet siya. Tapos, mapag-alaga. Sweet. Tapos, yun, game na kayo shoot. Sige na, busy na.
Tuloy natin ito mamaya.